app or yesterday's app. See, I will explain you. See, I'll just run this. Okay. See, here yesterday we have learned. I will explain you in a simple way. I'll delete all this. First, we will understand inline CSS. Again, I will explain you once more. Okay. Let's say this H2 is there. In inline CSS, for every line we will give our CSS. Okay. Let's say here I can give style equal to, inside this I can give color equal to, let's say, red. Okay. Now if I run, this bookings and teachings will become red. Okay. Understood? This is inline CSS. Is it okay to give inline CSS? Like when we are building a big website, is it okay to give inline CSS?
No, sir.
No, because every line we should give style, which is not good. Okay. See, let's say all the headings in this file should be red. Then what we will do? We will, 1 minute. We will copy this and paste it in every heading. See, whenever copying, like whenever you see similar code repeated 3 to 4 times or more times, which is not good. You should always try to minimize your code. How many less lines of code you write and how much more functionality you will give. That shows you as a developer. You should write less lines, the functionality should be more. Okay. We call them as like pro developers. So whenever you are doing something, always try to write the code less and the output should be more. Okay. So I should copy this and I should paste it again to this. Okay. Now if I run, I'll get it for both. Now I don't want to repeat this. Okay. What I should do? I should just delete this. I should use internal CSS, not inline. This is inline. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. In inline CSS, we will give it inside head. Remember this. Inline CSS will be given inside heading. Here, what I can do? I can select style tag. Okay. STYLE. I should type. Inside this, I can select tag. Okay. In CSS, we call it as selector. Okay. See, I will show you here. Wait 1 minute. I brought you something. See, understand this. This is the selector part, like who, what you are changing. Okay. This is the property, who you are changing, like h1. This will be always an HTML tag. Remember this. Selector will always be an HTML tag. Understood? Okay. Property. What property you are changing? What is the value you are giving? Understood this screen?
Yes, sir.
And remember the syntax also. Here we are using colon, not equal to, and at the end we should always put semicolon. Okay. These two, we call this as syntax. You know syntax? Syntax means grammar.
Yes, sir.
See, a grammar for CSS language. That means you should always write CSS like this only. Remember this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whenever you listen the word CSS, you should get this in your mind. Okay. Selector, property, value. It will always be the same. Don't get confused. Okay. Now if you see, what I should do, I should select the tag. Okay, let's say I will tell select h2 tag, and I will, this is our selector. Okay, we have selected our h2 tag. Here I should give the property, let's say color. Okay, colon, I'll give red. Now all the h2s in this file, only in this file, not contact.us. Okay, it will be only in this file. So how many h2s are there? This one is there, h2. I think only one. Let us change this to h2 for our easiness. Okay. See now. by using single line I am affecting this one in two places. Okay, now if you run, see this is red, skills is red, Jay Surya also, is that also H2? Yes, this one is also red. Understood? This is, what do we call this? Whenever we put our style inside head, what do we call this? Which type of CSS?
Internal.
Internal. What do you mean by inline? Inline means for every line we will give it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, now what if, let's say, I want the same to be implemented here. What should I do? I should same copy this and paste it here inside heading. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
here
sir.
also we are repeating something. In this H2 will not be there. Let me put it P tag. Okay, let me put it P paragraph. Now if I run, all the paragraphs will be red. See. If I go to this, see all the paragraphs has become red. But see, again we are repeating something. Okay, this style and here. We should use external CSS now. External means, see. Actually, I will tell you at same level means what. See, whenever you are opening, see where is our, this is our folder, right? 1 minute. See, this images folder and index.html CML are at same level. That means, see, this folder and this are at same level. That means, see, you can't do like this. Let's say I will rename this. Wait, I will rename this to images, and what I will do is, inside this, instead of directly giving image, what I will do is, I will take another folder, let's say src something, and I will put this inside this. Okay. Now here when you give path, here if you give images slash surya.jpg, or else if you deleted this, because our image surya.jpg is not in images, right? It is inside what? It is inside src, inside src. So if you give here src slash surya.jpg, will this work?
No, sir.
Because see, our index.html file, this file and this file should be at same level. Whenever you are giving image path, wherever this is there, from here you should start. We should give it from images. Okay, understood? Understood this point? I should put
Yes.
Yes, sir.
images slash, then it will work. Okay, that means the level of the path should be same. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
I think I should provide a, wait. src equal to images slash src. Should put slash, I guess. 1 minute, I'm just checking. Is this JPEG file? See, we can debug from here. I'll show you. See, whenever I bring this up in this terminal, wait, I'll just close this. I'll just run with debugging. See, it will show us the error here. 1 minute. I think we should src slash. Oh, we are not opening that project actually. Are you seeing here? It is inside images only. SRC is not there. See, we have done a mistake. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
other. This is the other project. This is not the same project. This is the other one. We have taken that from GitHub. I have extracted, right? This one. We are
Yes, sir,
doing.
correct.
We are now working on this. So now here I should create. Okay. Sorry for that. Sometimes it happens. Okay. We should put this inside this. Now it will work. See. Now here we will get that. So image SRC. Now if I run, we'll get it, I guess. Wait, I should stop this. You guys should find it. Like you should if now I got it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See now. Now, as I said, everything should be at the same level. We will create a new folder. Okay. Let's say styles. Okay. Not inside images. At the same level of index. Okay. I'll create a new folder which is styles. Okay. Inside this, I will create a CSS file. Let's say styles dot style sheet. Let's say I'll call it as style sheet dot CSS. Okay. Now here, instead of writing style here, what I will do is I'll delete this. Here I will directly write, let's say h2 colon. Here I'll give color as, let's say, blue violet. Okay. Now what I should do is I should import this. Okay. Inside this. That means here what you have written, you should call this inside here. Okay. How you will do that? Using link tab. Okay. I will link. Okay. Link CSS. Okay. Where is our file reference? Where is our file reference? This must
In
be
style.
style sheet only. This must be style sheet only. Okay, remember this. What you have to do, you have to just right click on this and click on copy path and paste it here. Or else you can directly write here. If you know the path exactly, it is styles slash style sheet dot CSS. Yes, in the same line. Is it true? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Also, you can use dot slash for the shortcut.
For shortcut, if you want, like instead of writing all the path, what you can do is you can put dot slash here so that it will automatically take the path. But when you are hosting, don't do this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For now, I am writing like this. Okay. Everyone understanding? Yes. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, this relation should always be style sheet. If you see here, when I type link, this is showing, see, link CSS. You should click on this only. Okay. By default, it will give you a relation of style sheet. Wait, I'll just zoom it a bit. Understood? Relation
Yes,
of
sir.
style sheet. After that, you should give the path here. Now I will refresh it and let's check it whether our H2 is becoming violet or not. Yes? Did it
Yes,
happen?
sir.
Yeah. So that is how it is. This is called what? This type of CSS is called
External.
external CSS.
External CSS.
See, have you heard about the word called abstraction? Abstraction means, see, here we are not writing any CSS directly. That means HTML file is different, CSS file is different, JavaScript file is different. Whenever you write like this, it will be easy for other developers to understand. Okay. So what we should, this is called abstraction. Abstraction means only writing particular code in some folder. Okay, understand this. And linking them using some tags. Okay. See, here we are writing only CSS. We don't use any HTML. Because if you write CSS inside this, people will get confused. And the code will be heavy. Yes or no? So we have created a new folder. We have written CSS in another folder and HTML in another folder and linking it using our link tag. Where we should write this link tag? Inside header. This should be important. Okay, understood? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See now, We call this as selector. Okay, remember this. See, if you see the image, this selector is important. See, I got an interview question. How many selectors are there in CSS? Up to now, how many selectors have you learned? How many selectors have you learned up to now? How many type of selectors? Any guess?
Sir, as many as tags are there, that many selectors.
Sir,
How
color.
how many group of, let's say, see, how many group of selectors? Let's say H1, H2, these all tags. It is called as tag. So we call this as tag selector. Whatever we are using now, this is called tag selector. So we have learned only one selector. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is called tag selector. Now I'll just put a comment. In CSS, we give comments as hash. Let's say tag selectors. Okay. I think not.
No,
Wait.
sir, not as
Not
slash
hash.
and
Yes. I'll just like this. We should give our. Now this won't run. Just to understand yourself, I am giving this. Tag means we will give only tags here. Now if I want H1, I will give H1. H1 color, let's say red. Now see, automatically, since it is linked here, our H1s will become red. H1, did we use H1 anywhere? See, in contact page it's not working because why? Can anyone tell?
yes, sir.
Why?
You had not linked it.
Yes. Everyone understanding? Everyone first try to unmute yourself. I want answers from everyone, each and everyone.
Yes, sir.
Don't move yourself. Nothing will happen. We may get some disturbance. No problem. Okay? 4 of you should speak. For every answer, 4 of you should give. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now we didn't link it in contact us.html. That's why it's not working. What I should do, I should link it here. Now tell me, when I type link, which one should I choose?
CSS.
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 And the path? Styles/stylesheet.css.
Stylesheet.css.
Good. Now if I run, if I go to this, see, I got the color. Okay. This we call it as external CSS, which we use it the more. Okay. Now see, in a screen there may be multiple H1s. Okay. See, let's say in this H1s are, how many H1s are there in our field? This one, 3 are there. Okay. Now I want different color for this one. Can I do it with tag selector?
No, sir.
It's not possible because this tag, it covers all. Like, it is the tag means tag. Whatever those tags are there, it will give that color. Then comes class selector. Okay. Class selector. Okay. I'll just comment this. Okay. Class selector means for every tag, what you can do is you can give a class name. Let's say H2. I'll give a class name. Or else class equal to, inside this you can give a name. Let's say heading 1. Okay, let's say heading. Okay. Now what you can do is you can directly call this heading in our style sheet, but not like tag selector. You should put a dot heading. Okay. And inside this you can give our color. Let's say color equal to, I will give this dark blue. Now see, if you see here, this H2. Now tell me, will this blue color be coming to all the H2 tags or only that one?
Only heading
Yes,
one.
only that one.
Okay. Let us check it. See, this is dark blue. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here you should understand one thing. See, observe it at core level. Whenever our app is running, first it will run h2.html, index.html. It has linked this. So first what it will do is, first it will give you the color which we used here for the H2. First it will give you violet to this also. Okay. To this also first it will give violet, but after that it will override. That means this heading will be overriding this color. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Overriding means, see, first it will give you violet. After that, when the compiler reads this one, then it will give this dark blue color. See how I will show you. See, when I right click on this and I will inspect it. See, where is this one? Where we have given this? Let me pull it a bit down. Bookings and teachings. See, if I click on this, see here, H2, first it gave color violet and then it has cutted that. Understanding? After that, it used this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It has overridden that. Okay, that means CSS selectors are more specific. Class selectors are more specific. That means they can override tag selectors also. You should understand this. I'll just write it. Class selectors can override tag selectors. This one you should remember. They may ask you, which of the following selector can override tag selectors? Answer should be class selector. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see, you can customize. Like let's say if you want other color for this, what you should do? Class equal to. You can give a class name. And remember, we can give same class names to multiple tags. I can also give here heading. Okay. Understood? Now what will
Yes.
happen?
Both will turn to blue, sir.
Let's check it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is about it. Okay, this is external CSS. Okay, now I'll just delete this. Okay, and let us come to know about another selector. Okay, this is the second selector. Now we will learn about third one, which is ID selectors. Okay, only 3 are there. Actually there will be 6. Okay, actually there will be 6, but I will tell you other 3 later. These 3 are very important. Okay, those 3 we won't use it much. Okay, now see this selector, what we will do is, here let's say for this, what I will do for this heading, I will use ID. Okay, ID equal to, I will give it as head. Okay, whenever you want to change, it is similar to class. It is similar to class selector. Okay, it is almost similar. I'll tell you the difference. Here, instead of calling dot, you should put hash head. Okay, inside this you should give color. Let's say I'll give brown. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will refresh. It has changed to brown. Okay, now if you see, this ID is like, you can use it only once. Let's say for this difference between class and ID, I'm telling you. Okay, I cannot use the same ID for multiple tags. Here I cannot use head. It will show an error. See, now if I run, it won't change the color. Huh? Wait, why it's changing? Should not change. Actually, it should show me an error here.
Yes, sir. I think because of waste code.
Yes, it should show me an error, I think. Wait,
Yes, sir.
I should install an extension, I guess.
ID is unique.
This
Sir, also install live server.
live server. This one.
Yes. Sir,
It
after that
should.
you can easily right click here and open with live server.
Oh, okay. I think we have done some mistake, I guess. ID is correct only. Why it's showing? It should not show. In style sheet, I have given header color brown. It should not at all show this. Wait, I'll try to give it here. ID equal to head. This is strange, yeah. Morning I have done it, didn't give any error. Why it gave error, now it's not showing.
Now it's changed the theory, sir.
Okay. See here what this is H2 and this is H2. It should work. I think what's happening wrong here. Wait, we will search in Google. Can two tags be given same ID CSS? HTML ID attribute is used to specify unique ID. You cannot have more than one element with the same ID in an HTML document. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You cannot have more than one element with the same ID in an HTML document. Then why is this showing here output?
Sir, but you are getting the output.
Yes, that is what I am thinking. We are doing something wrong.
Sir, put it on H3 or
Let's check it. Are we giving spelling wrong? No.
no, sir.
No, sir. Sir, where are you getting error, sir?
It should show error actually. See, whenever we give two same names, it should show an error for us. That is the only difference. See, I can give class like this, class here head, and I can give class here as head. But you cannot give ID. ID means like only one. Like you cannot repeat the ID always. But this is working still. How strange it is. Hashtag head. Let's see. See, you know Stack Overflow. I'll tell you about this Stack Overflow also. Can multiple different HTML tags have the same ID if they are different elements? No, element ID should be unique within the entire document. Arey yaar. No, at least IE and Firefox allow multiple elements.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think you are using. Yeah, sir. You are using Chrome.
We will run it again. Wait.
Sir, directly right click on that and click on live. Open with live server. Go to index.html. Open with live server. Yes, sir.
Of killer.
Sir, you can click on that go live, which is.
It's working. So strange, yeah. Go live. Where it is? Go live. Morning I tried. It worked. We have see this ID and ID are same. ID are taking. My variable holding the same values has a common ID. several elements with same ID responding to one CSS ID selector. This one. See, he has the same issue. ID he gave red, ID he gave red. Then we will get an answer here. Browser always try to fail silently. What this means is that even though your HTML is invalid, the browser will try to guess what your intent was and handle it accordingly. Understood? See, even though we are doing wrong, our browser is trying to cover it. But actual ruling is like we should not see. Browser always try to fail silently. What this means is that even though your HTML is invalid, this HTML is actually invalid. When we give two IDs same. Okay, understood? The browser will try to guess what your intent was and it will handle accordingly. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It works with simple HTML styling but would not work with queries. It works with HTML itself. Like when we come to queries, it won't work. So you remember this point, IDs cannot be same. Okay, and don't give same. Even though it is working, it is bluffing us. Like even though we are giving wrong, our HTML is making it correct and doing it. Okay. So we should not give two IDs same value. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Remember this always. I am just deleting this ID. Understood the difference between tag selectors and ID selectors? ID
Yes,
means
sir.
only for one element and you don't want to change it always. Whenever you want to do like that, you can give ID. And whenever you want to group some elements and give them a particular color, you can use class. When all the tags should be given same color, you can use tag selectors. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do is I have a task for you. Okay. We will develop this one. Okay. We will convert our website to this. Now you guys should tell me how to do. See, our website is there. I want to do it like this. How to do? Tell me. First, what should I change? Major change. What you're observing the major change in this?
Heading color.
Heading color still.
Colors
Hmm?
dot in the middle of website.
Okay. Still. Major change.
Colors
Still. Body
Background.
background. So first let us change the background color. How to change? Can anyone tell me?
yes, sir.
Using CS, we'll use class selectors. Okay, because most of the time, remember, in every web page, most of the time we will use class selectors. Okay, but when we are having body, we want entire body to have background color. So what we can do here, inside which
Directly
selector?
write
Body.
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 Here I'll write body, and inside this I'll give background color. Let's say we can take it from color hunt. Okay, we will take it from color hunt. Let's take some light color. Okay, I'm taking this one. What should I put before if I copy this?
Hash.
Hash, yes. Actually, it should show you here like this. Yeah, it is showing here. Okay,
Yes, sir. This is
because of live server, I guess. Don't. Now we will
sir. You
debug
can
it. Wait.
save control.
It will auto save, I guess. About blank. I think this one. See, the background has changed. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
We have used tag selector. Now let me delete this. I'll give gap between this so that it will be easy. Okay, now after this, let's say, see here what I will do is I have installed a 1 minute. I think my this one has 1 minute. Pesticide. See, there is a Chrome extension which is called pesticide. Okay, you need to install that. All of you install this. Go to here, go to settings, install the extension called. Here, if you see, you will have extensions. Enable developer mode, and here you install pesticide. Okay, I will tell you what it is useful for.
This one.
What is its name?
Sir, what its work?
Pesticide. PESTICIDE. Pesticide for Chrome.
Huh. अभी करेंगे।
It should show us here. Yeah, this one. Okay, what you do is you can install this, add to Chrome. This will be useful for us now. Okay, I'll tell you how to use. See, if I click on this, what it will do is I think it's still installing. I'll use it. Wait, I'll use it later. Now you understand this. We have given the color. Now let us go to next. All the headings should be of different color. Now tell me what can I do for H1 class head. This to class head. Should I give it directly H2 or shall we give different headings, different colors? Directly we will give it for H2 and H3 so that all will cover. Okay, since we have used those only most. Here only I will give H2 color. I'll give it some blue violet. Okay, and also I will take H3. Are you understanding? Color.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Blue violet. Now I'll just run this. Wait, I will close VS Code and open it. See, whenever you are learning coding, you will get so many errors. Okay, you should try to learn from errors. Okay, don't like if it's not coming, don't worry. Okay, you think of it why it's not coming, then you will get it. You search in Google, everything you do. If you are not coming, I will be there to help you. Okay, it is showing about blank. Okay, I think because of that. Okay, no. Okay, this error will come. Can open with.
Sir, you can try clicking go live, sir.
Now I can go using go live, I guess.
Open with live server, sir. You need to come on index page.
Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. See now, we have got our H2s with this color. Okay. Now I want to change this HR to dots. Now you should tell me how should I do. Yesterday we have done this. Where is our HR tag? Inside this, I will use only tag selector. I will take H2. Okay. Now in order to know these properties, what should I do? HR, sorry. You guys are not telling HR. First, let us check by default what it is there. Okay, inspect. Let us select our HR tag. Okay. See, when I click on HR tag, by default it has a width of 776 and height of 0. Okay, understood this?
Yes,
Cross.
sir.
Okay, so first we let us increase the height. Okay, I'll give it a height. Let's say height, let's say 10 pixels. Is it increased? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
See, here we got 10. This is
Yes, sir.
box model. Okay, you need to understand this. And see, here we got a margin of 8 pixel. That means that's why there is a gap here. If you can see here 8 pixels margin. Okay, understood this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
8 pixels
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
margin from all sides, from here also. Okay, now let us delete that margin. Okay, what we should do, I'll put margin 0. I think we should change it for entire body, I guess. We will change the margin later. Okay, we will change the margin. First we should change it for body. For body, if we put margin 0, then it will work. See, because it comes from body actually. Body gives default margin as 8 pixels for all. Now it is gone. Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually it is gone, but it is a, we have, see, when I close this, it went, see. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now you understand this. Where is our HR? This is H2. Let me select HR. This one we need. Okay. Here we got 10. Now we have a border. If you see here, this is the border. Okay. We can delete the border also. I'll give border also 0 pixels. Okay. Where is this? You need to, is this the one which we are doing? No, no. This one, I guess. Where is this? Great. In order to know the properties of HR, CSS properties HR MDN. Okay, MDN docs will show you. Horizontal rule. Let's see here. Align color, no shade. We should keep this one true. Okay. See, if you give here, let's say I want to give a color to our. See, I gave this inside body. Where it is HR inside this. Guys, you are not seeing properly. I'm doing mistakes and you are not telling me. I was thinking why it's not coming. See, since the border is 0, what happened? It totally went off. It's not there. Okay. See, what we
Okay,
should
sir.
do is border 0 pixel, and here we should put no shade, or else border style. Let's say let's give border. See, border means, see, if I give 8 pixels border, you will understand what does border mean. Where is this?
I think you had not saved it.
It is saved.
Okay.
Sir, solid it will come like
Yes,
Sir,
I think
you
we
need to
have
also
to.
add color.
Yes, yes, yes. Now it will come, I guess. See, okay, we got border as 8 pixel. Okay, now do we want it all sides for us to get into this, like to do like this? No, na? See, I will change this to dotted. Okay, border style. What I will do is border style, I will change this to dotted. Okay, now if you see, okay, but we want only one line. Okay, border bottom style, we should make it none. Border bottom, understood?
Yes,
Bottom
sir.
so
style,
it went up, sir.
border bottom style, I'll put it none. Now if you try, yes, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
I think this is because of we are collapsing. Na? Now if I close this, it will be fine. Why this is coming? Let us
Sir,
see.
left and right, sir.
Left and right also we should keep it none. Very good. Or else what we can do is, see, here border bottom style for, here if I give dotted, and here if I give none, see what happens. Top and bottom will be dotted, left and right will be none. Let me comment this. See, first one means top and bottom, second one means left and right. Now let us check this. Where did I give that? Did I give it correct place? I think we should put this also as well.
No, sir. I think, sir, this is not for left and right.
Yes, it worked. See, this is for left and right. This is for top and bottom. This is for left and right. See, if I put none here now, and if I put dotted here, see now. See, after what happens is, after learning React and all that, this CSS you will forget. Like all these properties, these all will be like complex, because React actually makes everything easy. That is why I am like a bit confused, because I work more on React. When React comes, actually you know, no need of this much of CSS. Okay, so what's happening here?
I think, sir, there is no left and right properties for HR.
It will be there, I guess. Right. Border style. Now if I put none here, I think it should work. Okay, it is working. This one is working. Let me put none and then dotted. Yeah, this one I want. See, now we got only left right dots, and up and down is gone. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, to understand these properties, actually remembering all these properties is not like, you cannot remember it. Okay, what you have to do is, there is docs. Okay, you can open this, right? Dev docs. Okay, uh, Dev docs MDN, and you can type. Let me tell you the website name. Right. Keyword index. You can type keyword index. See, it will show you all the attributes like in alphabetical order. Okay, see, B, C, D, all the attributes, E, F, like this, all gap and all this. Okay, whatever you want, you can try height, Okay, now here, see, according to this, what we need to reduce the width. Okay, what I should do? I should give width to this. Width, let's say I'll give 80 pixel. Where is our website? I'll inspect this. Before doing this, let us remove this, put dotted border style dotted. Okay, and only let me give border bottom style as none. Where is this? Bottom style none, border left style also none, and border right style also none. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now if I refresh it, did we get it?
Yes, sir.
See here what happens is, here I have given 80 pixel. Okay, see if I give, let's say 10%, percentage means it will take 10% of the screen width. See if you are using a small laptop. Understood? Understood what I am telling? If you,
Yes, sir.
it
Yes,
will
sir.
take only 10%. Okay, now if I want to, if I put 80%, see how much it will be. It has taken this much. Okay, live it is coming. That is the use of live server, I guess. See 20%. It will automatically go, I guess. See, understood? I think we can do it like this. See now, if I change this to, let's say 50%. See, it has changed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It has taken 50% of the screen. Let me give 20%. It has taken 20%. See here we can give radius also. Let's say border radius, I guess. We can increase the size. We can increase all. Okay. Let's say size. Let me give it 10 pixels. Let me give it 60 pixels. Let me increase border radius. It's not changing. How to increase the size? I think I should change the height. Can anyone tell me how to change the size of that dots? This one, I guess. I should increase this, I guess. Yes, this one. Understood?
Yes.
See, now it was showing before 4 dots. Now it was saying 3 because we gave 20%. See, if I give 20, see what it is doing. Understood? It is automatically adjusting here. Understood the use of percentage?
Yes.
Now I'll reduce this
Yes,
to
sir.
10. Okay, fine. So this is the basic thing. Okay, now let us do something different. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I closed Chrome. Only 3 are there. Other one, I think who?
Yes, sir. Shivam is joined. Wait.
Okay. See now. Now let us build this one. Okay. Yesterday I have showed you a website, right? Let us start building that. This one. Okay. Understood? In order to do this, we need to learn few more concepts. Okay. See. Now I will give you a simple task. You guys do this. Okay. This is the challenge. Now you should do this. All of you do this. After you doing, I'll do. You tell me after doing that. Okay. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Do that fast. You guys should share me screen and show me this. Try to read each line carefully. It's very easy. Doing? Are you doing? I'll see who will do fast out of 4. Can you tell me like you are doing or not?
Doing, sir.
Okay. Once you are done, tell me. Okay. It might take only 5 minutes. Bro, ainda?
Sir, you closed that one, sir.
Okay, okay. Guys, this much time. Anyone done? Can you tell me at which line you are? Hello?
Sir, we need to just create a folder and create an index.html.
Yes. After that, HTML backbone means the boilerplate which we have created that day. And give your title. No one done.
Sir, completed.
Okay, you can share your screen. I'll just see it. You can share your screen. I'll just see it. Sorry, I was on mute and I was speaking. No one done still.
Completed, sir.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. One.
Others, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Aman, Santosh,
Yes, sir.
Santosh.
No, sir, I am check.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Okay, Deep Kumar, show me the folder once. I want to see how you created. Index.html. See, you didn't read the third question properly, I guess. Third one is create a fourth one. See, create a CSS folder and add a style.css file. Your CSS is not inside the folder. Put that CSS inside a folder. Yes. Yes, exactly. Good. Good. Fine. Good. Very good. Others done?
Yes, sir.
Understood now how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'll just do it and show you. Okay. I'll just do it here. Let us see the instructions. First one is create a new folder called CSS. CSS my site. Okay. I'll create it here. CSS my site. Okay. And the next one is create index.html. Okay. I'll open this with our VS Code. Inside this, they told to create us index.html. See, this is file, this is folder. Okay. I am creating
Okay, sir.
index.html. Now inside this, what is the shortcut to get our boilerplate?
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamation, sir.
Yes, exclamatory mark. Okay, and they told us to create a CSS folder. Folder means this one. Okay, CSS. Inside this, they told us to create styles.css. Okay, and here they told us to link the CSS with our index.html. In where should I link? In which tag? In which tag should we link?
Link rel, sir. Link, sir.
Head.
Inside head, link CSS. I should write here CSS/styles.css. Fine. And they told to give the title as our name. Fine. Now they told to give background as dark blue. So for background, I should use which tag? Which selector?
Body.
Tag selector. Okay. Body background color equal to blue. Now I'll run this. Okay. I think it won't run. We should run it using live server since we installed that. What mistake we have done? Tell.
Sir, can you expand your screen size?
Yes. Okay. What mistake I have done? Tell me. Why are we not getting this black? I understood what I have done mistake. You should tell now.
/ in link.
No, this should also work.
You are writing here styles and use here style. Use here
Yes,
style.
exactly. Spelling mistake. It's styles. See, now we got. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, now here, this icon. Okay. If you see here, we had an icon. We call this icon as favicon. Okay. Favicon. Okay. We want to change this icon to our image. See, here we are getting Google Meet icon. Can you see this? Here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you. Oh, this is the maximum zoom. Sorry. This one. Can you see that? I'm
Yes,
not able
sir.
to zoom. Okay, fine. Now there is a website which is called www.favicon.cc. .favicon.cc. You can open this and you can generate your icon. Okay, either by importing or either by drawing like this. Okay, I don't want to draw. I want to import an image. So I will put my image itself. I'll put my image itself. See, this is how we will get. If I run it, can you see this? After running, you will get it like this. It's not clear. Let me import again. Uh, we can use nice icon also. See, if you see here, this is how it will look. Okay, because the pixels are more, it is not taking actually clearly. But you can add anything. Okay, you will have this website flat icons. Okay, here you will get so many icons. You can download one. Let's say homepage. You can download one. You can download it for free. Okay, I'll tell you about pixels. See, I'll tell you about color theory once. Today I'll take that home.png. I'll just drag this onto my desktop. Now I will upload this here because that image is not clear. I'm taking this. Okay. See, this is how it will look. Okay, understood? Now what you can do is you can download this. Download favicon. It will download. Okay, favicon.ico. See, we will get a file called favicon.ico. Where is this downloaded? I will just drag it to our desktop. Now what you should do is in our file, what you should do is you should take another folder which is called, let's say, at this level we should create another folder images. Okay, and inside this what you can do is you can add that favicon.ico file. Okay, where is this favicon? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now here
Yes.
inside our head what you should do is you should link, if you see here, favicon. Okay, this one, and you should give the path. Okay, you should, where it is inside images slash. Okay, understood? This type you can just remove this if you want, let it be. Now if you see our server website, where is it? See, now we got this icon here. Understood? Understood about favicon?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy to add an icon there? Just download the ICO file from the website which I told you, add it to your images, and then do this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See, whenever I'm doing here, see, do you know how images are shown on your screen actually? Do you know this? How images are shown? See, I'll explain you. Let us consider this as 1 pixel. Okay. See, I'm writing px. Okay. See, this is 1 pixel. When you see, if I take 4 pixel, this will be 4 pixel length. Okay. When multiple pixels come together, okay, and when we make them small, you will see some image. Yes or no? See, whenever if you are seeing your screen also, whenever you zoom it more, try to zoom it more, you will see dot like small transmitters, small box transmitters, uh, which will show you some light. Okay, are you understanding? This screen is made up of LED bulbs. When you say LED screen, there are like in every screen they will be showing you dimensions like 320 pixels width and 420 pixels height. That means they have used 420 LED lights in that width, 320 LED lights in that height. Are you understanding? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever those lights blink, let's say if all the lights are red, what you will see? If all the lights are red, what you will see? Will you see it like this? Let's say all the lights are blue, you'll see it like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
When all the lights are red, you'll see it as red. When half of the lights of the screen show, let's say blue, half of the lights of the screen show red. You'll see two different blocks like thing. Okay. When some lights show some color and when some lights show another color, you will see different images. Okay. So all these colors are formed from only three colors. See, actually there is no blue color. In our life also there is no blue color. There is no black color. There is no white color. Only three colors are present, which is RBG, red, blue, green. These are the only three colors which are visible to our eye. We cannot see other colors. But other colors are formed using these three colors. Okay, understanding?
Yes,
See,
sir.
if you see RBG graph, I'll show you. See, this one. If you see here, this is RBG graph. Okay. When you mix, see when you mix this color and this color, you will get a color of yellow, blue and green. When you mix blue and green here, you will get a color of yellow. When you mix red and green here, you'll get a color of this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
When you get
Yes,
a
sir.
color from here, you'll get a color of green. Actually, in our lives also we don't have all the colors. Only these three colors are visible to our eye. By intermixing those, we are getting all the colors. Understood? You
Yes,
must
sir.
remember this, which is you must know always. Red, blue, and green. These are the only colors. Based on the opacity and color which you add. See, if you add two colors, you will get a different color. In the same way, when you add these three colors, you will get all the colors which you see in the world. You can create your own color also. Okay. This is how our colorant also works. Understanding? See, if I click on this, see it is showing RGB. Red consists of 114 pixels in this. G consists of 134 pixels and B consists of 211 pixels. Understood? Which has more, it will take majority of the color. Okay. See, if you see this, which one has highest? Blue. So this might somewhat look like blue. Understood? If I click on this, understood what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
See, in this, red is the highest. So this is looking somewhat red. Understood? If let us see for white, how we get white color. Let us see this. It is a mixture of again 3. You'll get this color if you mix. If you have this almost 3 values almost same. Okay. So what's happening is whenever we are writing our code, what's happening is we are sending signals to the transmitters on our screen, like that LED bulbs. We are sending signals. Okay. Our signals will be of zeros and ones. It's not other. I'll show you an example. See, understand the code thing. It may confuse you, but understand. Okay. Are you getting like what I'm telling? Pixels, all that.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you. See. You know, our system works on ones and zeros. 1 means 5 volts of power, 0 means 0 volts. Okay, understood? See, electricity comes in electrons. Let's say when 5 electrons come together, we call it as 5 volts. For example, I'm telling, when no electron comes, it is 0 volts. Okay, so what these computers do is there is a processor which will send this current whenever it is required. Okay, how images are formed is, I'll just draw something. Let's say this is our image. Okay, okay, and these are made up of small pixels. Okay, like let's say these are all the pixels. I may not draw good, but you understand it. Okay, each pixel has its own color. Okay, let us say we have a number of 1 2 3 4. Okay, what happens is these numbers will be converted to zeros and ones. This is decimal number. That means you know decimal numbers, right? Decimal number means which are
Yes.
multiples of 10. Okay, or else normal numbers which we get are called decimal numbers. These numbers will be converted to zeros and ones using 8431. Let's say you have 6. Okay, we have 8 4 2 1. Okay, now how you will get 6 out of this? For this is not needed, 8 is not needed, so we put a 0. We need 4, so we put a 1. We need 2, so we put a 1. We need 1. Do we need 1 now?
No, sir.
No.
4 plus 2 is already 6, so we need 0. Now I converted this 6 to zeros and ones. Yes. Now what
Yes, sir.
happens is in this 0 1 0. Okay, this is the binary code of this number. Okay, understood? This is the binary code of this number. Whenever 0 goes to your processor, it takes 0 volts. Okay, whenever 1 goes to your processor, it takes 5 volts. Okay, see what happens. In order
Sir,
to
but why
form,
8421, sir?
this is the logic. Like in order to convert, you should use this only, 8421.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when this 1 goes, it will send us 5 volts. Okay, if this 0 goes, it will send us 0 volts. So what happens is, for every number there is a color assigned. Okay, for 6 I have assigned, let's say, blue. For 7 I have assigned, let's say, red. Okay, for every color I will assign a color and I will send it to the processor. The processor will understand, like whenever I get 1 0 1 0 volts, 1 5 volts, one, when these two 5 volts come together, I should eject that color. Understanding? Let's say this is our processor. See, let's say we have given our first number of 6. Let's say I have given I have given, see, let's say our image is made up of such kind of numbers: 4 2 1 8 9 1 2, 3. Okay, understand this. Okay, let's say this 64 goes to our first pixel. Okay, every image is formed with numbers. Understand this. Okay, let's say this 21 goes to second pixel. Like it may be single digit or one digit. This 4 goes to our third pixel. What internally our processor will do is convert this number to binary, and when this kind of power 0 volts, see, let's say this is our power signal. Okay, let's say this is our power signal. At this point it has 0 volts, at this point it has 0 volts, at this point it has 5 volts, at this point it has 5 volts, and at this point it has 0 volts. When such kind of structure comes to a processor, what it will do is it will eject a color. Understood? See, it might be, let's say 1 0 1 0 1 0. When this kind of number comes, it will eject another color. Understood? It might be 0 0, all zeros. Understood? When you get all zeros, it might eject one color. Okay, understood what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
So based on the pattern of the binary values, 0 0 0 0 means no color, then it will show black, I guess. F F F means black. Okay, so what's happening here is, see, if you see the color codes, you got these numbers. See, you got this hash code FEFCF3. This F will also be converted to numbers using ASCII code. Okay, ASCII. ASCII code means, see, see, alphabets like A to Z will be assigned to a numbers. Okay, let me show you here. This is the ASCII table. ASCII table means, see, every word will be given a number. A means 65, B means 66. It is ASCII means American standard for something. It will be American standard for assigning like ASCII full form. Let us see. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That means these alphabets will be converted to numbers. These numbers will be converted to binary numbers, and then we are seeing this output. Understood? It is very core. I hope you understood like 50%, yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
or 100%.
Yes. Yes, sir.
See, what's happening here is, I'll tell you again. Our screens are made up of pixels. Each pixel will eject a color when it gets an input. Based on that input, it will eject a color. It will search for patterns like ones and zeros, in ones and zeros. Okay, if you get 0 1 0 1, it will show you one color. If you get 0 0 0 0, it will show you one color. If it get like 1 1 1 0, it will show another color. Okay, and these binary numbers are formed from decimal numbers. Okay, 6, and these decimal numbers are come from values like, let's say, A B C D F. How? By using ASCII table. Understood? Paka?
Yes, sir.
52 means 4. If you see, if I give 4, it will take us 52. If I give D, it will take us 68. If I take A, see, in this all will be there. Small a, small b, small c, all are there. Okay. If you give this table, it will take 91. Okay. Fine. So this is the different tables. I will share you a video on YouTube. You guys watch that. Okay. I'll share you a video. Okay. You will understand it very clearly. Let me share you. Okay. When you have free time, you watch this. How
Yes, sir.
images are. I think I might not explain you good. Just yeah, this one. Watch this. Okay. I'll share you
Today,
this.
let's
Or let me play this here.
talk about images. Images that are cute, images that are funny, and images that are awe-inspiring. Most
No
Will you
audio.
watch or shall we play? You'll watch it, na? I'll share it with
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will.
Tomorrow I'll ask you questions also on this. Okay, please try to watch that because it's very important to understand computer from the core. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing it on the group. You just watch that. Okay, fine. So guys, tomorrow at any cost, what we will do is by using CSS, we will complete our website. Okay, whatever I am telling you, like we will be doing from yesterday, I'm telling you that we will be doing this website, but it's not completing. Tomorrow we will complete and then close it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubts up to now, you can ask me. Now what you do is you use all the three selectors like tag selector, class selector, and the third one
ID selector.
ID selector. You
ID
use
selector.
these three selectors, use external CSS, and try to develop something, whatever you like whatever design we have done to our website. You try to add more design to that. Okay, try to experiment with it. If you are getting any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, guys, I will be available entire night also. If you want to ask me, I will be available online. You can ask me at any time. Okay, fine. You can message me. I'll reply you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will ask your mentor to give more time. I will ask him. If we could get it, it would be pretty good. If not, also I'll try to manage and I will give you some projects also to have some experience. Okay.
Yes, sir. You also ask, and we also like discuss with our mentor.
Okay, fine. Hope you are understanding what I'm saying. Then only this all will work. Like I can extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think we learned
Thank you,
something
sir.
good like selectors thing. Okay, I'll share you the recording as well. Take care. Good night. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
సంకోచం